Now question number 10. In this question, a, b and n are constants. Okay. Where 5 times a plus 8x whole power n is written in the ascending order of x, and the first three terms are 640 plus b square x plus 30,240 x square. Find the value of a and the possible value of b. When we have the expansion, so we know that a plus b whole power n is equals to a to the power of n plus n is the power, so n combination 1 time a to the power of n minus 1 time b to the power of 1. Okay, so next term will be n combination 2 time e to the power of n minus 2 time b to the power of 2. Okay, it is move up to n plus 1 term. We need to find just first three terms, so we can use this expansion to solve this expansion. So 5 times 2 plus ax whole power n is equals to 5 times 2 to the power of n plus n combination 1 time 2 to the power of n minus 1 and b to the power of 1, and in this case b is ax, so ax plus n combination 2 to the power of n minus 1, sorry, n minus 2 time b to the power of 2, so b square means ax square. So we don't need to move further because these are the first three terms. So 5 times 2 to the power of n plus 5 times n combination 1 time 2 to the power of n minus 1 time ax plus 5 times n combination 2 to the power of n minus 2 time a square x square. Okay, we need to compare with given three terms so that we can find value of a and b. So this one is equals to the 640, and the coefficient of x is equals to the b square, or you can say that bx, and this one is equals to third term, which is equals to 30,240 x square. Now, so we will have 5 times 2 to the power of n is equals to 640, equation 1. Now comparing the coefficient of x, so it's means 5 times n combination 1 times 2 to the power of n minus 1 times ax is equals to b square. This is the equation 2. Similarly, when we compare the coefficient of x square, so it will be 5 times n combination 2 times 2 to the power of n minus 2 times a square is equals to 30,240. I made a mistake. I should erase this x. This one's a because we are just comparing the coefficient of x. Now, first we solve this equation 1 to find the value of n. So 2 to the power of n is equals to 640 over 5, which is equals to 128. So 2 to the power of n is equals to 2 to the power of 7, because 2 power 7 is 128. So we can say that n is equal to 7. Okay. Now, we can use this value of 7 and plug in equation 2 so that we can find the relationship between a and b. So when n is equals to 7, this expression will be equals to 5 times 7 combination 1 times 2 to the power of n minus 1 means 7 minus 1 times a is equals to b square. So 7 combination 1 is 7 and 2 to the power of 6 times a is equals to b square. Okay, when we solve these values, it is equals to 2240, a is equals to b square. Okay, so this one is equation 3, you can see. Now again we plug n is equal to 7, we just calculated in this equation, so we will have 5 times n combination 2, so 7 combination 2 times 2 to the power of n minus 2 means 7 minus 2 times a square is equals to 30240. So this one is 5 times 7 times 6 over 2 times 2 to the power of 5 is equals to 32. A square is equals to 30240. Okay, this one is equals to 3. So we will have 5 times 21 times 32. A square is equals to 30240. So A square is equals to 30240 over 5 times 21 times 32, and this one is equals to 9. So A square equals to 9, so it means A is equals to plus minus 3. Okay, we have calculated the value of A. Now we can use this value of A to find the value of B. So plug value of A equals to 3 in this equation. On the other side, if we plug A is equal to negative 3, what will happen we will see. So B square equals to 2240 times 3, because A is equals to 3, and in this case we will have B square is equals to 6720, and in this case B is equals to plus minus under root 6720. On the other side, if we plug value of A equals to negative 3 in this equation, we will have B square is equals to 2240 times negative 3, and this one is equals to negative 6720. So B will be complex number or complex value, so we will discard this A. Okay, so we can say that A is equals to 3 is applicable, so A is equals to 3 only, and B is equals to the plus minus under root 6720. These are the values of A and B required. Now